Allah confirms the Injil.
Allah is not going to help you here. You know nothing about the history of the Injil from the Islamic paradigm, and the Islamic paradigm is not going to save you. We are speaking about the Bible.
Yes.
Prove to me that Bible is reliable.
According to F.F. Bruce, in his book, The New Testament Documents, Are They Reliable? Page 10, the evidence for our New Testament writings is ever so much greater than the evidence for many writings of classical writers, the authenticity of which no one dreams of questioning. And if the New Testament were a collection of secular writings, their authenticity would generally be regarded as beyond all doubt.
Fantastic. So you quoted a scholar who appears to be saying that the Bible is reliable. What's his evidence?
I'll go to another scholar then, okay? How about Bruce Metzger? Do you take from him?
Hold on a second. Look, what's his evidence for what he said? I can say to you in this book, Suyuti claims that the naming of the chapters of the Quran came from the Prophet, peace be upon him. That's the claim in the book. How can I prove that claim to be true? Then I need evidence.